pictures. So we invite our Bapak Harun Mustali to give out to Bapak Munata Adi. This is Chukin. Chukin from
Jakarta, from Betawi culture. So Chukin is a traditional scarf that is part of the Betawi culture. It is worn by Betawi young male and old male because it is a very beautiful accessory, right, Bianca?
And then secondly, we have a small wallet out of leather and the design of Monash, which is a very significant place in Jakarta.
It is the national monument of Indonesia.
And third, we have, let's see what we have, batik. There you go. So we have batik, and then this is ondel-ondel, Jakarta's icon. Next, for Mr. Wiranto Adi, you will also give next token appreciation for Miss Kamara.
Please give a big round of applause for Mr. Wiranto Adi and Ms. Aisyah Kamara.
And Mr. Harun Mustali will also give a scarf to Miss Chamara. Here. And then we also have the wallet from Jakarta. And then we also have a batik as well.
Another wall with the Monash engraving in red and Bianca. Very beautiful. Miss Kamara looks so beautiful in red. Very powerful person. Okay, next we would like to invite Mr. Wiranto Adi to give some beautiful souvenirs for Mr. Baru Muhammad Ali as the Deputy Governor of Jakarta.